How to delete t-shirts you made on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll explore the possibility of deleting a custom Roblox t-shirt. As demonstrated in the avatar editor, I'm wearing a t-shirt with a design that I created. Despite being the creator of this item, I'm unable to find an option to delete it within the avatar editor. The only available actions are to equip or unequip the t-shirt. Moving on to the Roblox catalog, we can see that the t-shirt is indeed created and owned by me, but not listed for the sale. Clicking on the three dots reveals options to add to the profile, advertise, or configure. Selecting the configure option redirects to the Roblox creator dashboard, specifically the avatar items tab where all the designs are displayed. Even here, there is no provision to delete the item, whether through the three dots menu or by opening the item itself. The only suggested actions are to remove the item from the cell and disable the comments to prevent visibility. Unfortunately, Roblox policy does not permit the deletion of self-made t-shirts. Once a t-shirt is created on the Roblox creator platform, it becomes a permanent part of your creations, unable to be removed. This video aims to inform viewers about this limitation rather than mislead them. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more additional tips and tutorials. Thank you for your support and thank you for watching this content. See you in the next one.